Today we're quickly going to run through the Structured Portal's 3D modeling and engineering analysis and design tool. You can quickly get pretty much any portal frame shape, change openings and all the other geometry required. You can also quickly size all parts of a portal frame, and that is automated as well, so it will do all the checks and give a suggested design which you can adopt, and it will give you a full engineering report on that. And you can see all that information live as you work. Okay, I'll start off with the geometry modeling part, and then I'll move on to the structural analysis. So if I just update the span, I'll try changing one of the walls. We can try a Skillian version. I also want to move some openings, so I'll move the front door closer to grid A. I'll move the little door, which is 820 wide, to the other side. So that's the basis of the modeling of geometry. You can also download a 3D CAD of this at any time and 2D drawings. And now I'll move on to the structural analysis. So moving on to the analysis and design part, which is under this menu, we can start getting some sizes and structural calculations confirming that. So you've got your building types, what the structure's used for. You've got your different types of steel, hot rolled, hollow sections, light gauge and light gauge back to back. Wind directions, wind speed, and what type of openings are in the building. And all you need to do to undertake the analysis is click Analyze Structure, and you'll get this screen here, and you'll also get a structural report underneath there, which can be printed out into a report format. But all the information you need to size members is in this screen here. So you have your worst case frame, which is a moment envelope in blue. So that takes into account all the various wind loads, dead loads, live loads. Cases, it combines them into load combinations, runs all those checks, analysis checks, and comes up with a moment, maximum moment at different points. You can also see a deflection curve dotted in there. And then you've got your test design. So you can see what type of sizes are being tested for the rafter and the column. And then you've got all your design checks. And these are all spelled out in much more detail in the calculation report down there. So you can see this one's failing very heavily in deflection. The rafters are failing, but only just, and everything else is a pass. So this is where the final part comes in, the automated design suggestion. And it's suggesting to use a 460 UB, so quite a bit deeper and heavier section than a 250 UB that is tested already. It's saying some checks have failed, use suggested design to update. So you just click this button, and we're now using the 460 UB67 as suggested, and you can see that everything is passing now. So that design is working 100%. So everything is okay. And again, the calculation package will be updated to reflect that. You can print that out as a printable report, and as a PDF it comes out nicely formatted. You can also return to the model by saying update model, and it will now show the 460 UB size that was designed in the model. And it's ready again for 3D CAD download or to create drawings reflecting that that design works for this size and geometry. Thanks for watching this structured parametrics video. Leave a like or subscribe if you found this useful, and we'll see you in the next one.